guys would not believe what just happened to me a while ago. Like, I cannot believe I did that. Like, I'm so annoyed. I made a rookie vlogger mistake and I'm just like, I want to kick myself. But anyway, let me just open this vlog. Welcome back to another video. I am Shannon. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a very chaotic start to my vlog. Guys, I deleted all my footage that I recorded yesterday. I introed this vlog. It's Saturday and I started recording yesterday. I went and I got my nails done by Kristen. Very cute, love them. Recorded that process. It was like really good. Got some good angles because I wanted to change things up.
I see your nails.
Here they are. You like them?
I want this too, green and you pretty.
No, this is not what I use on my nails. She thought I used this on my nails. But yeah, I formatted the memory card and deleted everything.
Your key is this morning.
It's your key, baby. I also went to my seamstress and I got such good footage because I had to adjust a suit that I bought in Target and also this dress that I bought from H&M. And I got such good footage and she was telling me how the last time I posted on my vlog about her, she got, you know, new customers and stuff from it and everything, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna tag you again and all of that, and everything got deleted. And then in the evening, Donald came over, we were hanging out. I did an unboxing for a brand that sent me a suit and everything, and then like gone. The footage gone. I'm just so annoyed, man. It just messed up my day. So I didn't even record this morning because I'm like, yo, I have a lot of footage from yesterday. I'm just gonna start this vlog once I'm ready and we're going out, and here I am with no footage from yesterday. So welcome to a new video and I hope you enjoy what is left of this vlog.
Mommy,
but yeah, this morning, well, this afternoon,
Mommy,
Bailey,
please make this for me.
Bailey, go and put that back, please. Thank you very much. I don't want you to get yourself wet. So yeah, Bailey's ready and I'm finishing getting ready. We are going on a little mommy and me date. We're gonna go on a lunch date and I'm finishing getting ready for that. But yeah, I still can't get over how annoyed I am about the whole losing my footage thing, but I'm not gonna harp on it. We're just gonna keep it moving and enjoy this vlog no matter how short it is, right guys? I know y'all support me, so no worries. I'm putting on this necklace from Pavoy. Simple. You know my love. Me some Pavoy. I will be linking it, but it's just like a tiny teardrop. I also am gonna put in my Pavoy earrings as well. I don't know. Yesterday was such a good day. I was in a good mood. I'm like, yeah, it's Friday. I'm gonna start vlogging on Friday and womp womp. But yeah, this is the earring. You guys can see. Very tiny and petite. You know what style I've been loving lately, and it's kind of what has inspired like all my recent purchases, and it's like the modest, well, not modest, but more like the neutral modest type of vibe. And that's the type of outfit that I'm wearing today. Well, not fully, because I don't think this crop top would be considered modest, but we are going with it. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. And my lips. I wanted to do red lips, but I can't find. I don't know where I put my the Fenty. Okay, I'm using this gloss, and this is the Dior Lip Maximizer. I really like this. It does have a tingly sensation, but it's not as bad. And I just like how like creamy the finish is. Yeah, I was saying I like how creamy the finish is. Then this deodorant, oh my goodness, y'all don't even understand. Like, this deodorant, game changer. If you have discoloration under your arms, this deodorant is it. I'm telling you. I'm gonna post a haul with all of the like new skincare, body care type of items and things that I got, and my take on them. Watch this, girl.
The tablet is finished charging.
Alright, you can go and get it.
Yay!
Listen, I have to use the tablet to keep her occupied because, but yeah, the deodorant is, yeah, this deodorant, really, really good, really good. What else I need to do? So my edges, yes, my love. Okay, let me turn that on for you. Bailey, stop dragging your blanket on the ground. I keep telling you. But yeah, then gonna do my edges. I always put like a little gel on my sideburns. There we go. I was telling you guys, I'm going on a little mommy and me date with Bailey because I invited friends of mine, but they're busy, and I really want to get out the house this weekend and just like have a really good active weekend doing things, being outside of the house. And I'm not gonna let that stop me because, okay, I don't have company. I'm like, I have the best company in the world. Like, Bailey is the bomb. That's like my bestie. And that's the thing, like when you're a mom, sometimes you feel like, oh, you always need to like leave your kid with somebody. Like, no, carry your child. Carry your child with you. Because life goes by fast and they grow up really fast, and if you wait for them to get older to do things, like, you'll never end up doing anything. So carry them with you. So she'll come everywhere with me because I want to have a social life, and if my social life has to include her, then that's what it gotta be. You know what I mean? We are going out. I'm dressing her up, and me and my daughter go out. It's that simple. I think I'm gonna put my hair up. I don't want to wear it down today, and I'm gonna use this grab clip, and then I'm gonna leave like 2 pieces out here. Are we feeling this, or I should just let down I should let down my hair? What do you guys think? Not that you can answer me, but yeah, I was gonna wear it up, but yeah, let's wear it down. Listen, one of the worst things that people like don't talk about, like in this influencer world, is when you end up falling in love with products that are pricey, and then eventually it just increases your overall expenses. Like, every time like I try like a really nice product, for example, this, as I'm using this Fenty body butter, I was fine with my Palmer's cocoa butter, you know. I was fine. It was moisturizing my skin and everything until I tried the Fenty body butter, and no, like every time it's empty I have to buy a new one, and that just increased my overall budget. Also, no, I was fine using my LA Girl under eye concealer. We've been rocking it for years, and now that I've used the Makeup by Mario one, and the way it just seamlessly just melts in my skin, can I even really go back to LA Girl Pro Concealer? But I think I'm going to use the Pro Concealer like for work, and then the Mario for special occasion. I think that is like a really good compromise, you know what I mean? But yeah. Oh, by the way, I got these new glasses from H&M. I bought it and I like it. What do you guys think? Thinking of wearing it today. Like usually I wear like oversized frames, but I like this. What do we think? But yeah, I'll put that on later. He's wearing this beautiful dress, turn around. I think we got this in Marshalls. And also some ballet flats that we got from Old Navy, and her little bow, and yeah, my girl is perfect.
Ah.
Anyway, let's go. Look who is there! Look who surprised us! Look who surprised us! So Uncle Donald surprised us. So we're ordering I love a lychee martini.
Martini? I like it.
Huh? Wait, it's the... Alright, I'll try the lychee meal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looking for the pasta. You can find.
I wonder if there's anything... And which cocktail, sorry, you were saying I could get for her?
The Jamaican cooler.
Okay. Alright. You're gonna get a cocktail.
I want cocktails.
Yes, get a cocktail.
Y'all think your internet needs easy? She's getting a cocktail and she wants it in a different mug. The lady brought the plastic,
The to-go.
the to-go cup, and I had to send it back because Bailey wants it in a proper cup. But this is the lychee mule and it tastes really good.
I mean, it's lychee.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with lychee
can
for
never
sure.
go wrong with lychee.
By the way, look at that now.
Don't
Looking
look
all
at
Miami-esque. But Donald coming a while ago, he was just like, We belong in New York. We shouldn't be here.
I'm not here. I'm not here.
But you know, you have to make the most of Jamaica. Like, whatever the offerings, we just have to make it ours.
Here you go, Mama. Nobody that better than you, don't Mama? Yes.
You like it?
Course. Here you go, give it a taste. Yes.
Yes, it.
Nice.
Oh, it doesn't have any lychee?
Oh, you want a lychee? Alright, I'll get you a lychee, baby. You want a lychee?
You want one of these? Okay.
I'll take it.
My candy with Bailey Johnson.
Alright, there you go, Mama.
Alright, thank you.
Yes.
Bailey, see you. You got yours.
The pork belly. You've had the pork belly before?
Huh?
The pork belly?
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'll do that one. Alright, thank you.
It's okay. I'm going to take care of it when we get home.
Let me taste the pizza.
Yuck.
Bailey, don't even.
Ah.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Come. Eat the pizza. Come. Okay.
Yeah.
Bailey.
I don't want to. My tomato fell on my dress again. Tomato fell on my dress.
Bailey, this is not encouraging me to want to take you out again.
No, and this is not encouraging me to want to come anywhere with you guys again.
This is your first and last day out with Uncle.
Yeah. I'm embarrassed, okay? Yeah.
He embarrassed us too, so don't worry.
Can you imagine?
Hey, man. You heard what I said?
Oh yeah.
So I don't even know how we got there.
But the
Who
thing
we
is,
discussed it
Dwayne,
flights. Because that is the direction you wanted to lean into, so you're glad when somebody
Mommy.
you think that that's what
I
happened?
need a
Just like
lemon.
got sucked into it.
No, when you finish eating, eat some more. So someone approved something that you don't want it to do, so you went to
I feel you. That was a weak ass move.
work.
No, it was. You gotta fall back, man.
Because I strongly believe in if you don't see something going somewhere, nip it in the bud early.
Don't make sense. You drag on and tie on.
You just
You're right. Why
Put it
Dwayne
in.
voted to give another chance?
investment
silly.
and investing time, energy,
Time,
money.
energy, the six pack, money.
Wow.
It's just you having my life on camera and deciding
Oh,
whether
I
or
didn't
not
even know.
you're gonna use it or 2 years from now release it to the media for $1
Sorry.
million.
Come baby.
Coming around, girl, it's not all long. I don't know where that everybody yeah, that's fine.
Wash my finger.
Fashion another thing style. What's your
Reggie, wash my hand.
That's as
Whistle
wash as
by
it's going to
water.
get. No, this is how we
This is
do it
okay,
here.
babe.
Yeah, this is how we do it. At the restaurant, we just wipe it up, okay?
It doesn't work with no soap.
Yeah, no, it works when we're at home. So we do it at home. But when we're in the restaurant, we use a napkin. Okay? Okay.
Mommy, I want to wash my hands.
Bailey, we
Here I
can
am,
wash your
finally.
hands when we're leaving. Say what you need to say.
I have nothing to say.
You just want to look at yourself.
I'm happy I came today. Like, it was a
Are you?
beautiful surprise. No.
I really was.
And I have it here on camera.
Mommy.
Bailey,
That was good.
you're gonna have to wait.
It took you like a good 2 minutes to realize I was standing there. Here it is.
Baba. Mommy.
Tomorrow, which I'm excited about. So we're just gonna try to prep as much as we can for the week and like get that shopping out of the way, because usually we would like plan the meals on a Sunday and then do the shopping, but we're just gonna do it now. We're trying to eat a lot healthier, and by healthy I mean like cut out fast food, try to reduce the amount of rice that we eat throughout the week, and yeah, nothing too serious, like not like a strict diet. We're not gonna really change fundamentally how we eat because we're not stressed ourselves, right? We're just eating in moderation and reducing a lot of like the sweet stuff and all of that, right? So that's what I'm working on now, like doing a meal plan for the week. I think on Monday I am going to do like seafood stir fry. So we'll buy like the rainforest seafood mix and then just stir fry that with vegetable, and that in itself is like a full meal. So that's for Monday. Tuesday I think we might do something with ground provision, so we'll do like cabbage and saltfish with ground provision. And then Wednesday, I'm not sure, I need to think about it. Let me just plan it out and then I'll tell you guys what we're doing for this week for like the meal prep. And I'm doing this because I want to give you guys ideas to like if you want to start like a healthier journey, and like a lot of the meal plans and stuff is not like online, it's not really Jamaican based, so to speak. So like how you can incorporate like a healthier version with Jamaican home cooked stuff. So if anyone wants ideas, so that's why I'm kind of sharing it. So here's what I came up with on Monday. We will do the seafood stir fry. Stir fry. And that is with pak choy, cabbage and carrots, you know, the whole mix. And then on Tuesday, we will do cabbage and saltfish with ground provision. Well, mainly green banana. So that's cabbage and saltfish with green bananas. And on Wednesday, we are going to be doing brown stew chicken. Brown stew chicken and rice and peas with a salad. And then on Thursday, we'll do a beef pumpkin soup. And of course that's with ground provision soup. And then Friday we generally eat out and we'll have jerk chicken from Pepper Time. Good morning, beautiful people. Let me see if I can get some light. Yeah.
Morning, beautiful people.
We are on our way to the beach now.
Now,
Billy, are you going to mimic me the entire time?
Yes, I know. I always like to copy you.
Yeah. I went to church this morning, came home, made breakfast, and now we're heading to the beach. We're waiting on Tracy and Javel to get here because we're carpooling. She's like, yeah, they don't feel like driving. So we're waiting on them, but outside looks like it's about to rain. But that's Kingston's problem. We'll be in Ochi or St. Anne. We haven't really decided the exact beach. We'll just, I guess, figure it out. Bailey, why you pull my thing? Should just pull the string on my cover up. Anyway, so yeah, I will catch you guys at the beach. I'm excited. I really just want to relax. I need to pack my book. I need to start another one of the romance novels. The first one, to be honest with you, I like my romance novels a little richer with some more depth, and what else can I it's just missing something. Like, it's sweet and it's cute and it's a nice to read, but I like when like the character development is a lot richer. I also like more dynamic in the storyline, and yeah, more challenges that they have to face to be together, you know what I mean, and see how they navigate that and relationship issues and stuff like that. This one was it all right. It was a nice read, and I'm talking about This Is Us. That was what I was reading previously, but there's another one by the same author. Bailey, please. There's another one by the same author that I'm gonna start today, so hopefully it's a good read.
Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Let's close. Let's not get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to ride.
Alright, finally at the beach now. I have my matcha, which we got from the Hall Starbucks, which is not bad at all. It's a lot stronger than the matchas that I've gotten from other Starbucks. But yeah, we're just chilling. This is a really nice beach. We've been here before, like Dwayne and I think it's the first time we're bringing Bailey, but it's Columbus Cove, and it's just really nice. Like, the sun is clean. I'm gonna show you guys the water and a lot more of the beach itself, and they have chairs for rental. The entry fee was $1,000 each, and Bailey was free, so that's good. Because sometimes they have the audacity to charge you for toddlers, because they charged us at Strawberry Fields. But yeah, it's really nice. And they also have a restaurant that serves food, so we'll be getting food from them later, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. But right now, we're really just chilling. We are sitting out, like I'm vlogging on my phone now, because Anna borrowed this hat from Javel, but as you can see, like, it's raining. Bailey's playing. I just covered up her head. Yeah, we're trying to make the most of the day. Excuse the quality, because as I said, I don't want to bring my camera when it's raining like this. And I'm going to go in the water now. Hi Trace, look for my sexy friend. But yeah, we're making the most of it. When I go home, I probably have to just blow dry my hair, but so it go. And my girl really fully enjoying herself, you know. We won't be sick. That's what I'm hoping. But the water is very nice. It's a really nice beach. I forgot how nice it was. It's now my new go-to. The food is here. We got wings. Someone got a hamburger. I really wanted jerk chicken, but they don't have any more jerk chicken. So hopefully this tastes good. Fries not bad. Let's try the chicken.
No, I'm eating for the fries.
It tastes good. The chicken tastes good. I can speak for the wings. If you come and order the wings are gonna taste good. Wings and fries. Jit having the best day ever. What Jovel snorkeling? I think this is gonna be our new main beach. I can't believe I forgot how nice this beach was. Back from the beach, and that was such a good beach day. Like, although it was raining, it was perfect. But I just gave Bailey a bath. I took a bath, and we're going to give her something to eat right now, and then it's time to like wind down for bed.
Oh, I want this nightie today.
Okay, well, okay, you'll wear that pajama, that's fine.
Mommy, and where's the top for it? My pajamas on.
You can do it by yourself.
I don't need help. Mommy, look!
You're not done. It still needs to come down properly. Let me fix it for you.
Sunny bunny day.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Bailey went down super easy. I think because she probably burnt out from the beach today. But I'm just having leftovers, and this is like leftover from the salmon bowl that we had last night. Well, I made it last night, but I didn't eat any, so this is pretty much like my dinner from last night. And all that's in there is rice, pickled red onion, the salmon, cucumber, carrot, and some sriracha and mayo. And yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and try to find something on Amazon or Netflix, and then after that we'll just kind of wind down for bed ourselves.